Hey guys, I want to do a messy kitchen counter talks in the afternoon when everything is hitting it up. So here we go. We've got some bagels that we've made that are cooling off. Under here is a roast that we made with pork. I've got some pizza dough that I'm actually making into some cheesy flatbread with lots of olive oil. It's kind of like a, oh gosh, I think it's going to be really good with a naan bread. Then I made some homemade barbecue sauce. I am making mac and cheese. Annie's mac and cheese from a box with dinner, so don't judge me. And then we've got lots of dirty dishes. We've got some homemade honey butter sourdough rolls that are just delicious that we're going to use for the pulled pork that we've cooked. I am cooking 2 trays of French fries that I made. I am drying out some herbs. I tried to use this silly tater twister thing. Did not work this time. I've got a super messy counter. There's the peelings. There's one more pizza dough that I've got to put on the thing. And then I've got some cheese that's drying out. So that's what we've got going on for today's kitchen counter talks. Thought I'd give you a little glimpse of a messy situation.